Here I've taken few sums that we will solve using the algebraic identities. So the first one is a square minus b square whole square. So in this we can use, so here I'm taking using the identity x minus y whole square, that is x square plus y square, then minus twice of the first term and the second term. So this I'm going to use here. So now you see, first term is a square whole square, then plus second term square, then minus twice of the first term into the second term. So that we are going to get here. So a to the power 2 to the power 2, it will be a to the power 4 plus second one will be b to the power 4 minus 2 a square b square, that you will get as the answer in this question. Now I've taken the second question. So here we have 2x plus 5 whole square minus 2x minus 5 whole square. So here you can use both the identities, that is a plus b whole square, that says a square plus twice of first term second term plus b square, and the other one you can also use, that is a minus b whole square, that says square of the first term minus twice of the first term and the second term plus the second term square. So I'll just use them. Now here you see in the middle you have a negative sign, so you can keep the things in bracket. So in the first bracket I'll be getting 2x square plus twice of the first term and the second term, then plus square of the second term, then we have the square of the first term minus twice of the first term and the second term, and then plus the square of the second term. Now I'll just write it, and in the first you will get 20x plus 25, and here you can see in the second one, now before the second one we have a negative sign, so I'm keeping everything in a bracket. So I'll get 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Now because this is the minus here, so because of this minus the signs will change. So here you see, here before the 4x square no sign is there, that means it's plus, so it will become minus. This minus 20 will become plus 20, and the 25 will become minus 25. So all the signs will change. If the sign before the bracket is negative, all the sign will change. So it will be minus 4x square plus 20x plus 25, and the left side will come as it is, 4x square plus 20x plus 25. Now if something you can cancel out, you can cancel here. So here you see 4x square you can cancel, 25, okay, here also it's minus sign, so 25 will also cancel. So the total answer will be 40x. So that's the answer, 40x. Here I've taken the next question. So all these questions you have to solve using the identities. So the third one I'm not taking, and the fourth one also. So here in the fifth one we have a point, that's why I'm taking that one. So here in the first one we can use the identity, that is a minus b whole square. So here I'm again keeping a bracket. So first square of the first minus twice of the first term into the second term, then plus the square of the second term. Then the same thing we can do for our second term also. I'm keeping a bracket here. So here again square of the first term minus twice of the first term, 1.5p into 2.5q, and then plus the square of the second term, that is 2.5q square. And now we can write it. So in the first term we will get 7.5pq plus 2.25q square will be our first, and in the second bracket we will get 2.25p square, 15 square is 225, and then 2 decimals we will give here, and in the second term we have 15 into 2, that will become 1.5 into 2 will become 3 into 2.5 will give you 7.5 pq plus 6.25q square, that we are going to get in the second one. Now again you see that there is a negative before that, so all the signs will change. Here this will become negative, this will become plus, and this will become negative. So now I'll just write that. So we'll get 6.25p square minus 7.5pq plus 2.25q square minus 2.25p square plus 7.5pq and minus 6.25 q square. And now if something you can cancel out. So here you see this you can cancel, and now you can calculate. So we have 6.25 p square, here we have 2.25 p square, so that will become 4.00 p square. And then we have this and this 6.25 q square and plus 2.25, so that will become minus 4 q square. 6.25 minus 2.25 will give you 4, and 6.25 is greater, having negative sign, so negative sign will come. So your answer is 4p square minus 4q square. So that is the answer for this question. So here the question says show. So you have to show here using the identities. So here's the first question. 3x plus 7 square minus 84x equals to 3x minus 7 whole square. So here you can see this is your left side and that is your right side. So you have to prove that the left side is equals to the right hand side. So in these type of questions, you can first solve the left side and then you can try to get the right hand side. And once it's done, you can say that left side is equals to right hand side. Or either sometimes if you find that RHS is more easier for you to solve, then you can use that one also. And sometimes you can solve the left hand side, after that right hand side. If both the values are coming equal, then you can show that these are equal. So you can choose accordingly whatever you want and whatever you find easier. So here in this question, I'll show you the both methods. So first I'm taking the left hand side. So here in the left side, I have 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. So first I'll expand my 3x plus 7 whole square. So here we can use the identity a square plus twice of a into b plus b square minus 84x. So that will give you 9x square plus 42x plus 49 minus 84. So here you can simplify it a little bit. So here you get 9x square minus 42, because minus 82 and 84 minus 42 will give you minus 42x, then plus 49. This we are getting here. So if you will solve here the right side, so expanding the right side will also give you this, or simply you can simplify that one also. So 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, 7 square will be your 49, and this one you can just simply break it as twice of a into b, and then you can compare and see also that your this term 2 into 3 into 7 will give you 42. Okay, that means it's correct. So you can simply write it a square plus b square minus twice of first term and second term is the expansion of 3x minus 7, so whole square. So that we got. So that is equals to your right hand side. So then we can say that left hand side equals to right hand side. So hence it is proved. So like this you have to do this sum. And if you want to solve it from the right hand side, so you can continue with the same thing, like from the last step to the first step you will go and you will get it. So like first you will expand that one, and then you can here subtract AD. You can write this thing as minus 42x and plus 42 you can do. So plus 42x you can do add up here with these, and then you will get to this same steps you can do, and then you will get the first term. So from RHS you will get the LHS. But in this question, if you are solving the left hand side, it is more easier to solve. Here I've taken the next question. So you see here our left hand side and we have the right hand side. So here again, if you take the left hand side, it will be easier for you to get the right hand side. So I'll do that, and then I'll also tell you how to solve it from the right side as well. So in the left I have 4 by 3m, 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn. So I'll just simply expand it. So 4 by 3m whole square I'll get, plus 3 by 4n whole square I'll get, then minus twice of the first term and the second term I'll get, and then plus 2mn. Now here I can cancel out few things, then I'm gonna cancel here this. So here if you'll solve it, so you'll get 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16 n square minus 2 mn plus 2 mn. So you can cancel out this as well. So that is equals to the right hand side, and that we will say that LHS equals to RHS. So hence it's proved. Now I'm just solving it from the right hand side also. So here we have 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square. So here you see in the left side we have 2 mn. So what I'll do, I'll just subtract 2 mn and also I'll add. So overall there will be no change. So it will be same as this RHS as well. So here what I'll do, I'll just take these together, and 2 mn I'll keep because we need it in our left hand side as well. So here the first thing, here again we have 3 terms. So I'm breaking this 16 by 9 m square as 4 by 3 m whole square plus 3 by 4 n whole square minus twice of, here again I am just using it, the first term, twice the first term and the second term. So here you can see if you're getting this to mn or not. So you can see 3 will cancel out, 4 will cancel out, so overall you'll get 2 mn only. So here these first 3 terms are the expansion of 4 by 3 first term minus 3 by 4 second term whole square, and then this plus 2 mn. So that is equals to the left hand side. So like this also you can solve, but sometimes here we have added, subtracted, so sometimes you can get like you will not get it like you have to add and subtract. So in that case you can use the left hand side only. You just have to simplify and then you will get the right hand side.